and my kicks, me 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 and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks. I had a couple of Nike pants that I needed to return to the store because I thought they was tapered, but they wasn't. So I had to go ahead and return those. And since I was going back to the Nike outlet, I figured why not make a vlog about it, man? So stay tuned. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. Smash that like button if you like this video. Also comment down below what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. Also, a tiny small goal that I had for myself this year was to go an entire month and not buy any new releases, man. Like, I really wanted to like kind of cut back on buying all these shoes because I got a lot of shoes already and I'm still like trying to find like days and times to wear all of these. So I'm just trying to cut back when I can. And all of January, there was not a shoe that I was interested in. So this entire month of January, I didn't buy any shoes, man. So I got to give myself a round of applause, man. I got to give myself a round. Now I have bought some older releases.
Move this man!
That came out in 2018 for the low that I was still like gunning for. But as far as like new releases, I haven't bought any at all. I know you guys are gonna say, but me and my kicks, what about the LeBron 3 black and golds? I did buy those, but I bought those solely for like sizing purposes. I sold those on StockX shortly after I had did the review for them. So technically I really didn't buy anything for this month. Also, they had some Kyrie 5, like I wanna say like hot lavas. I wanted those, but I went on the Nike sneakers app and I put in for a size 12, checked out, and got the confirmation. But then when it hit me back with the email, it said I ordered a size 11. So I had to cancel the order and I haven't really been going towards those. So the next new release that I want is the LeBron 3 Superman. So I'm definitely going to be gunning for those. So keep your fingers crossed and hopefully I get them, man. But without further ado, let's get into this vlog. This is a crazy discount. 39 bucks on the Jordan Futures. Lowe's, can't beat that. They got a couple sizes in this shoe. It's not a bad colorway in the Nike flat knit trainers. 50 bucks, and the retail is 50. They also got some, I'm guessing they took the, let me check it out. What colorway is this? It's like a light blue with a little blue in it. Got some more flat knit trainers in like a light blue for 65 bucks. These pretty low, that's not bad. Got some triple black duck boots for 95, retail 120. It's not bad if you need a nice little winter boot. Got the triple white Air Force One high duck boot for 130, retail 175. It's not bad. It's not a bad all white boot, I ain't gonna lie. They also got it in the low as well. They over here snapping with the all white boots. And also this material look like if you put dirt on it, it's gonna like just come right on off. It's not a bad purchase for 110, I can't even lie. Retail 190 or 185. They got a nice little size run in this joke. It's duck boot season over here. They got the triple black Air Force One low duck boots for 110. They got a full size run in this too. They definitely getting you right for the winter. As every Nike outlet, they got the Mellow 13s. It's been at every store possible, man. It's crazy. This is a weird colorway in the Air Force One. This for like the kids. But like this upper is a velvet, a crushed velvet, and the bottom is like an off-white. It's not bad. Not a bad colorway for the kids. Got it for 60 bucks, retail 135. They got these Jordan Flights in a Bordeaux and white color for 79. Got a full size run in this. And they also got it in wheat and white. And these okay. I mean, I would never wear none of these. I'd rather get 7s, but you know, I know a lot of people rock Flights still. So if you want them, here they go at the Aurora outlet. Here go these Jordan Black Cats. These like the alternate 13s in a white, teal, and black colorway. They got them for 109, and they got a full size run. I never know that these came in the Air Jordan 3 boxes. It's pretty decent. Here go the Air Jordan 1 high, the camo joints, the gray camo joints for 109. It's not bad. I want to say retail is 145 or 160, so they got a nice little size run in this. But if you want it, they over here at the Aurora outlet. And they also got the 11s. I forgot what they call these, the platinum joints. Yeah, the platinum 11s. I paid $160 for mine, so they're here at the outlet for $160. Retail was $220. They ain't got that many sizes left. They only got a couple of sizes. Got the Air Jordan 3 chlorophylls in a full size run, and they got them for $140. Retail is $190. I need these at like $80-$90 to cop these, man. Like this whole side is just dedicated to Westbrooks. They got white and red Westbrooks for $90. Got the white and blue Westbrooks for $100. Got the black and silver ones for $90. They got a big size run of this, as you can see. Pretty decent though. I mean, I heard this is not a bad hooping shoe, so if y'all want it, it's over here at Aurora Outlet for the low. Got the triple black Air Jordan Futures for $110. And McFly KOF, before you even ask, there is no size 14s here. The biggest size they got is a 13. They might have some in the back, but I ain't asking them. If you really want them, let me know. I'll ask them in the back, man. But here they go. Nice little full size run in this, though. Crazy sizes. This is not a bad price for those undefeated foams. They got them for $140. And retail was what, $250? Or yeah, $230. That's crazy. They got a nice little size run in it too. If I had bread, or if I wasn't really trying to save money, I would get these, because this is a nice little deal. $140. That's not bad at all. They got an additional 30% off clearance, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and see what's going on up in here. First thing I see is, what is they at? Oh yeah, they got the Easter Air Force Ones for $100 plus 30% off, make them $70. But how much as I paid? That's a nice little deal right there. Got some Nike Air More Moneys in like a New York Yankee color, white navy, for $160. Just retail, and 30% off that make them what, like $110, $120. Not bad. Got the Nike Air More Money in like a olive, white, black, and orange for $160. With the discount, be like $130, $120. They got some random Air Max 270s white with the Volt sitting over here for $100. With the 30% off, it'd be like $70. It's not bad. They got a nice little couple sizes. Got some Air Jordan 10 Charlottes in a humongous size 17. And they still charging over $120 for them. Them shoes came out like 2 or 3 years ago. They should have those for at least like $80-$90. Got these different style Air Force Ones, like a beef and broccoli color. The laces are brown. They got the different little Nike swoosh for $79. Plus 30% off, make it like $60. And they also got some more Easters over here. Pretty decent, size 8. So $100. Make them 30% off, make them $70. It's not bad at all. Got these Air Force One Duck boots in like a white snow camo colorway. These not bad. What they want for them? $99 plus 30% off, make them $70. That's not bad. Got the Shattered Backboard 31s for $129. I don't know why. This should be way low. Like this, we on the 33s. I don't know why they still got these out. Nike be having some random deals, man. This $14.97. Retails like $80-$90. I'm gonna have to cop me this, man. I got a lot of red and black stuff that can go with this. For the ladies, kids, they got the International 3s for $100. They got these 5s, like bronze type 5s for $80. They got the International 5s for, I'm guessing retail, which is $140. Got the Shadow 10s for $100. They got the International 12s for retail, which is $150. They got the Mellow 13s. They going crazy over here in the women's section. Got some Kyrie flat traps, some more flat traps. No, actually these some other shoes, but they was going crazy for a little minute. That was like 5-6 straight heat shoes. I don't know what kind of ones these is, but this like fur material is trash. Like it looks horrible on this. They need to be giving these shoes away. All right, guys, that wraps up my outlet vlog. What did you guys think? What's the best shoe you've seen in this video? Comment that down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. And just to show you guys what I copped, you already know I had to get that Nike hoodie, man. Black with the red. And you really can't beat it. And I did know that this is also considered the 30% off clearance as well. So it was $14 plus 30% off. So this hoodie only costed $10, man. Original retail price is $80 and I got it for $10. You cannot beat that with a stick, man. I had to get it. I should have racked up and got like a whole bunch of them, because you can definitely give this as like a great Christmas present, a great birthday present. I don't know, I'm still contemplating on doing it, but I don't really know. It's so early in the year, I'm sure I could like catch a deal later on down the line. Another shoe that I picked up was a Nike Air Force One Easters. I got this for about $70–$60. Retail is $150, so I definitely got this for a steal. I already got a pair of these in my size. This is a smaller size that I picked up. It's for a gift for someone, so hopefully they don't see this video so they don't know what I got them. But anyways, I definitely had to get this for the steal price, man. So that is the end of my vlog. I appreciate you guys taking the time out and watching my video. And lastly, peace.